everyone. Welcome to Math is Fun. Our lesson for today is all about solving linear equations. What is a linear equation? A linear equation is an algebraic number sentence that makes a straight line when you graph it. Here's an example. 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. How do we solve them? Solving a linear equation means finding out what value the variable or the letter represents. For example, what does x represent in the equation 2x minus 5 is equal to 1? To solve linear equations, we can use undoing steps. What is an undoing steps? Undoing steps is equal to the opposite operations. Okay, let's try it together. Solve the linear equation 2b is equal to 18. First step, think about what 2b means. So 2b means 2 times b or 2 groups of b. Second step, think about what the opposite operation to multiplying is. Alright, the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So we divide both sides by 2. 2b is equal to 18. So we have here 2b divided by 2. This is equal to 18 divided by 2. Remember, we must divide both sides of the equation by 2 to keep the equation balanced. So, the multiply by 2 and divide by 2 cancel each other out. So, b is equal to 9. Are we right? We can use substitution to check if we have found the correct value for the unknown number in a linear equation. Substitution in algebra involves swapping the variable or letter for a particular number. If the equation is balanced, we know we have found the correct value. Alright, let's substitute 9 into b. 2b is equal to 18, so we have 2 times 9 is equal to 18. 2 times 9 is 18, this is equal to 18. The equation is balanced, both sides equal to 18. So we know that b is equal to 9 is the correct solution. Alright, let's try another example. Let's solve this equation. 2x minus 5 is equal to 1. 2x minus 5 means x is multiplied by 2 and then 5 is subtracted. By using undoing steps, so the opposite would be to add 5 and divide by 2. Alright, let's solve. 2x minus 5 is equal to 1. So we are going to add 5 both sides of the equation. So, in the left side, negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So we have here cancelled. So 2x is equal to 6. Next, we're going to divide 2 both sides of the equation. So, 2x divided by 2 is equal to 6 divided by 2. So we have here x is equal to 3. Alright, let's check it. Let's substitute 3 into x. So we have 2 times 3 minus 5 is equal to 1. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And to the other side of the equation also is 1. So x is equal to 3 is the correct solution. I hope that you understand our lesson for today, and thank you for watching.